In this video, I'm going to share with you how to remove the Nano Banana watermark. I'll show you two different methods. First, download the image. Method 1. Go to Google and search for Generative Fill. You'll see several websites there. If you have an Adobe paid account, you can use the Adobe site. Otherwise, you can use PixCut, which is completely free. Open PixCut and click on Upload, then upload your picture. When the picture is uploaded, you'll notice a circle tool that's already available on the website. Wherever you want to remove something, for example, the Gemini logo, move the circle to that area and click on it. Click on Erase and the selected area will be removed. After that, you can download your image in your preferred quality. But remember, this version will only be available in preview quality, which means the image quality will be slightly reduced compared to the original. If you want to remove the watermark without compromising the image quality, then follow the second method. Go to Canva. This feature is available only in the Canva Pro account. But don't worry, if you don't have a Canva Pro account, I've made another video showing how to get Canva Pro totally free. The link is available in the I button and also in the description below. Once you're in Canva, click on Edit Image. Here, you'll see the Magic Eraser option. Select the brush tool, and then click on the Gemini logo. At the top, you'll see a Delete option. Click on it to remove the watermark. Now, you can download your image in your preferred quality.